doing a little practice with rates and conversions. Remember, rates is where we have numerator and denominator labels. So the speed of light is 299,792,458 meters per second. How many miles per hour is this? Well, I can't go from meters to miles, but I can go from kilometers to miles. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go from meters to kilometers by moving left 3 places, right? That's a metric conversion. So 1, 2, 3, this gives me 299,792 point, oops, that should have been a 458 kilometers in 1 second. Okay, so now I can go straight to miles, and I can do that by saying there is 1 mile in 1.6093 kilometers. Okay, so that, now I'm in miles, that's the top label. So now I just need to worry about my denominator. So seconds, 60 seconds is 1 minute. Notice that I had to put seconds on the top because seconds, top to bottom, they got to cancel out. And then I go 60 minutes is 1 hour. So again, top to bottom labels cancel out. Now my denominator is hours, that's where I want it to be, so now I'm good. So I start on the top, I divide, multiply, multiply. Remember, anything in the top is a multiplication, anything in the denominator is a divide button, and you should end up with 670,634,964.8 kilometers per hour. Big number, big number. Swimming pool is being filled at a rate of 15 pints per minute. How many gallons per hour is this? Okay, so our goal is gallons per hour. I usually just start in the top. I don't know why, I just do. So I need to go pints to gallons. Well, I know there are 2 pints in 1 quart. Okay, so that gets me out of pints. And then I know there are 4 quarts in 1 gallon. That gets me out of quarts. And now my gallons is achieved. So when I look at my denominator, I say, okay, I know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. That gets me out of minutes, puts me into hours. So it's all about reaching the label goal. The numbers just come along with the labels, but the labels have to guide you. And then the math. 2's in the denominator, so we divide. 4's in the denominator, so we divide. 60's in the numerator, so we multiply. 15 divided by 2 divided by 4 times 60 yields 102.5 gallons per hour. You plan to take a 400-mile trip and you figure you can average 60 miles an hour. How long will it take you to get there? And you know, depending on how you see this, how long is hours? So miles per hour, this is the identity ratio. But remember, identity ratios can be written either way. So if I know that my label wants to be in hours, I need this ratio to be the one that I'm going to use because I need the hours to be in the top. So then, going this way, that's a hard color to see, 400 miles is going to go on the top because I need the miles to cancel out. So 400 divided by 60 gives me 6.67 hours, which is the same as 6 2/3 hours, which is the same as 6 hours and 40 minutes, depending on how you want to write your answer.